When it comes to business coaching and building a solid, long lasting business coaching practice, what do I mean by that? Well, in most cases, it's earning well, right? It's having freedom, it's having flexibility, depending upon the season of life that you're in. It is one of the most flexible career options and choices that you can do, as far as I'm concerned. There are plenty of coaches on our team that still have other projects. It could be a full-time job. It could be they own a business. It could be they're part-time retired. It could be they're fractional. And business coaching gives the opportunity to earn a high income option, but do it with limited output, provided it's done correctly. Let me explain. So I live in the Nashville area, and recently, in the last year or less, In-N-Out Burger. If you're in the States, you're familiar with In-N-Out. Maybe if you're across the pond, if you will, somewhere globally, maybe you haven't heard of that. It's one of the most attractive and magnetized, for those who like it, fast food brands that is people will wait hours for in a drive-through, which is just insane to me, but it's just the way it works. So they're building the new headquarters right down the street from where I live, in close by, and they've just opened up the first few In-N-Out burgers in the state of Tennessee. And so I have been fascinated by this whole conversation around what they've done, what they're doing, and what they're doing now, because they've been around for a long time. Started in California, the West Coast, and those of you, if you're from the West Coast area, you either you may not love them, but lots of people do. Lots of people do. So I've been studying In-N-Out, and I've been watching. I've been watched it be built, and I'll never forget the first few days they opened, which, by the way, it still happens. The line is absolutely out, well past the road. It's crazy. And you start to think, well, how can someone like that, a brand like that, become so incredibly popular? And you can argue all day long about you like the food, you don't like the food. That's not the point of this conversation. The point is they're one of, and the biggest reason that they are so successful with what they do is that it is a template, and it's a system. You can go to any In-N-Out anywhere in the country, and you're going to get the exact same experience. And you're not going to get that with a lot of other fast food chains. It's a very different experience for a lot of different variables. Okay? And so I've watched it go through. It's the same process, because systems and structure define everything. Everything. And it's a lesson to look at. Same with Chick-fil-A. Ironically, there's a Chick-fil-A right across the street. And I'll never forget living in Atlanta, Georgia, when I was a child, 5, 6 years of age, that kind of thing. And I think there was one in the mall, and they were one of the few that I can remember. Of course, Atlanta is where Chick-fil-A is based. And as they've grown over the years, and then they started to just putting up a store, everywhere, pretty much, their model, why could they, with so fewer store units compared to McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell, and so on, how could they become number one in customer satisfaction? How can they get through so many cars in just a few minutes? If you've ever been to Chick-fil-A, if you haven't, it's very normal. On a significant portion of the day, they will be double wrapped in a line, and you can get in that line and you'll be out in no time. Yet you can go to other competitors, and you're the third or fourth person in line. It takes 20 minutes. It's crazy. Why? Systems matter. Structures matter. So you may say, okay, BJ, that's fine, but that's for the fast food industry and hospitality and so on. But we can learn from that, right? We can learn and understand that, okay, if I'm going to have a client deck as a business coach of 5 clients, 10 clients, 15 clients, and so on, if I want to keep them long term, if I truly want to bring transformation to them, because I understand that my work, from a purpose-driven perspective, what I'm going to do to help them grow is transformation at the end of the day. They can hire more people. They can give back. They can get out of the working in the weeds of a business and get a number two person that they rely on, to where they're just working on the business and they're not working in it, right? And that's the whole process and structure of the reason why we do what we do in our coaching system. We call it a systematic approach for a reason. There is a step-by-step, myopic, purpose, starting number one with an assessment. And number two, as you begin to coach clients, you're going one strategy at a time and one step at a time. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. That's an issue with a lot of coaches. They get complacent and they think that they can create something that's going to be better when in reality, both In-N-Out Burgers and both Chick-fil-A do the exact same thing in that they have harnessed the needed and necessary business building strategies for not just growth, but for sustainability. Without question, you can see them all over their businesses all the time. You can literally just, go to their website, you can see them. You can watch the drive-through and you can see the strategies playing out. And those are the same strategies that we utilize inside of our entire systematic structure. So rather than having what am I going to do? That we know what we're going to do. We just got to determine through an assessment based upon where that business is, what they're trying to do, what they're trying to accomplish, what strategy am I going to apply, in what order am I going to do that, right? And that's one of the cool things too, by the way. And of course, if you're on our coaching team, you understand this. You have a coach advisor that you can lean on anytime as you're walking through that process. So if you are a newer coach on our team, you should never have, I call it heart palpitations. In other words, you should never be overly nervous about what's the thing I'm going to coach, because we already have that lined out. And sure, you're going to get questions sometimes that I'm not sure, right? Well, the cool thing is you have an entire support team, your one-on-one advisor, your group calls you can go to, the online community you can plug into and get those questions addressed. That also is part of system, right? And so as a coach, when you understand that one, I have a process, I have a system, that box gets checked. And by the way, if you're taking a peek at joining us, what you're hearing is what we do. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of coaches, multiple countries all over the world, utilizing one systematic approach, their brand, charge what you want, do it how you want. You're just using the system to be able to do it. It's pretty unique. Nothing else like it out there. But we work with you hand in hand on a consistent basis. By the way, part of the reason why we want transformation is we understand that momentum matters. That's the reason why we guarantee we're going to keep working with you one-on-one to help you land your first 3 clients in about 90 days, or we're not going to stop until you do. Okay. And so we check the box number one on okay, I've got a system, I got a structure, I got a process. Number two, I have another set of not rules, but this is my plan. How I'm going to get good at what I say I do. Matter of fact, it just so happens I'm training on that in a mastermind this afternoon. And it's about something that's called the gas station test. It's kind of unique. But it puts us in a position that no matter where I go, what I do, I know I can answer the question when I'm asked, so what is it, what do you do? I have a plan. Number two, I'm going to get really good with asking great questions. So when I'm in the room, regardless of what the room is, I am ready to go with a number of questions that builds value, that builds loyalty, and creates curiosity. Number three, I am going to constantly, and that word is an eye of the beholder, consistent's a better word. I'm going to consistently have exposure on LinkedIn, Facebook, Alignable, maybe Instagram if I have Instagram, and so on, so that as I'm meeting people and they go check me out, they're seeing content related to what I do. And number four is I am ready to go with 3 specific invitations at all times. So depending upon the relationship that I'm building with that prospect, I've only got 3 different directions I'm going to take them. I'm just going to read the room to determine which one I'm going to go to. That is a system. So I don't have to worry. I don't have to wonder. I don't have to feel overwhelmed because I have not only a system where I'm going to coach the business, I also, as the coach, have a system on building the business. And that's what we do. And that's why systems matter, period. Now, full disclosure and in transparency, that is not the way I started. I can tell you that. I was one of these guys that, I did not like structure. Actually, I hated structure, to be truthful. My younger years was a free bird. I didn't want any structure. I wanted just to do it my way. I wanted to give it up on a random Tuesday and just go do it how I wanted to do it. And there might have been a season, by the way, that you can kind of get away with the winging it, but that was before the internet, by the way, which is weird to say. However, you cannot do that today and be successful. You will crash and burn. So, two things as I close this out. If you are on our coaching team, whether you're just getting started, whether you've been around for a while, structure and systems, like, don't drift. You're normal and human. We all drift it from time to time. Get back to the core, get with your advisor, and fall in love with structure. It's actually, you fall in love with the results that structure provides. It's kind of like if you like to walk or run, you probably don't really like to walk or run at 5 a.m., but you do like the benefits of it, right? So fall in love with the results. So structure for yourself. Number two, if you're on our coaching team, get solid with confidence in presenting and coaching businesses through the strategies, the business strategies inside the system. If you are not on our coaching team and you're thinking about it, the best thing to do is to find a time to just have a conversation with us. We'll show you what it looks like, how it works, all that good stuff, the support, the resources, the tools. We have an entire software suite. It's a full-blown A to Z system, white label with your name, your brand, custom website for you. Our team handles it, full CRM, everything that you need to run a solid, long-lasting business coaching practice. That's why we have guys who can earn, 250 grand, 300 grand, 400 grand and higher. If that's your goal, and that's not everyone's goal. We actually have a coach that just wanted some part-time retirement income and have some time helping other people, get paid a little bit, and go play golf. And this is his golf money. 2 clients only. That was his goal. He sold a business, worked a good amount of money, doesn't really need the money, but he does it and helps other people bring transformation, goes out and plays golf the rest of the time. That's the goal, right? And so that's what our advisory team, from a one-on-one perspective, we're going to take your goal and we're going to wrap around what is it that you want to achieve, and let's build a plan to help you get there, right? And templates are a good thing, cookie cutter not so much. So no, this is not cookie cutter, but definitely it is a systematic process, right? And so depending upon where you are in your journey, think about In-N-Out Burger, think about Chick-fil-A, right? Think about others. It's weird, I know. I'll leave you with this. Amazon, if you've never done the subscription thing, it's wild. I'll tell you why. What it does through its system, now we're not Amazon, but we can learn. Through its system, I got an email yesterday, and it said, you're likely running low on the magenta cartridge on your printer, because that's where I've been buying the cartridges. I'm like, you think? Let me just go check. I went and checked. Sure enough, I was running low. Why? Because they understand through the systems of the thousands and millions of people that order the same thing. They've got it dialed in, and the average person probably runs out around this many days from purchase to whatever. It won't probably always be right. I bet you it's pretty strong, right? But why can they do that? Because they've tested the heck out of it through a system. So when you're the billions in valuation companies, and when you're the small business coach that's earning 200, 300 grand a year with 5 to 10 clients, systems matter.